We will solve the equation quickly and clearly using a cleaned visual cue for cross-multiplication. Step 1. Write the equation and its domain restriction. The equation is the fraction open 3x minus 7 over x equals 2 over 7. Because x is in the denominator, x cannot be 0. Step 2. Cross-multiply to clear the fractions. Draw the two diagonal products. Numerator 3x minus 7 goes with denominator 7. Denominator x goes with numerator 2. That gives 7 times the quantity 3x minus 7 equals 2x. Step 3. Distribute the 7 on the left. 7 times 3x is 21x, and 7 times negative 7 is negative 49. So we have 21x minus 49 equals 2x. Step 4. Move all x terms to the left. Subtract 2x from both sides. That gives 19x minus 49 equals 0. Add 49 to both sides. 19x equals 49. Divide by 19 to isolate x. So x equals 49 over 19, which is not 0 and is valid. Quick check. Substitute the value back into the original fraction. Left side becomes open fraction 3 times 49 over 19 minus 7 over 49 over 19. That is 147 over 19 minus 133 over 19. All over 49 over 19. The numerator is 14 over 19. Dividing by 49 over 19 multiplies by 19 over 49, which simplifies to 2 over 7. The check passes. Final answer x equals 49 over 19. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.